Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So friends, let's start today's video. Is a crochet round table runners. So friends, let's start. Today video, friends. Friends, today we will explore round crochet table runners. These are beautiful handmade made for your table. They are perfect for dining tables, coffee tables, or as decoration. Such a best round crochet table runner and elegance in kitchen each room. What is round crochet table runners? A round crochet table runners is made using round crochet stitches in a circle patterns. It starts from the center and draw outward in round. You can make it in small, medium, or large size depending on your table. It can be simple, lacy, and detailed with patterns. To make a round crochet table runners, you will need crochet thread or yarn, crochet hook, scissors, optional blocking tools to shape your finish it, turner, pick thread or yarn, colors that match your tables or room decoration. Use fine crochet thread, creative, delicate, open patterns for elegance. Use granny square or circle motif, join them to make a round runners. Crochet flowers in a circle and weavers. And friends, a round crochet table runner is a circle piece of crochet work. It starts from the center, grow outward in rounds and weavers. To make a round crochet table runner, you will need crochet thread and yarn. Think thread for delicate design, thread yarn for border patterns, a crochet hook size depending on your thread yarn. Pick a thread color that matches your room or table. White, cream, or pastel color, a classic bright color give a modern, lively feel. There are many ways to make round crochet table runners. Lace round crochet table runner, fine thread with cotton patterns make your runner look delicate and elegant. Granny circle runner, small granny circle motif and join together, creating a classic look. Flower motif runners, crochet flower in circle and join them for a natural pattern centerpiece. Layer round combine small circle into a large round shapes, perfect for large tables. Modern geometric runner used bead circle shapes and bright color for a modern style and viewers. So Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. Good Hafiz.